you're not here to waste time. You're here because you want proof. Proof that affiliate marketing actually works. Proof that you can make money this week, even if you're starting from scratch. And guess what? You can. Because today, we're giving you 3 fast, beginner-friendly ways to start making affiliate money right now. No complex funnels, no expensive ads, just real, proven methods that work, especially if you're new. This is part of the CashWave Affiliate series, where we pull back the curtain and show you what's actually working for real people, not just marketers with massive followings. So, if you're tired of the fluff, this video's for you. Let's get into it. Let's rewind for a second. Before CashWave ever existed, before the commissions, the subscribers, and the confidence, Craig was just like you. He was grinding in silence, trying to figure out how to make his first dollar online. He'd stay up until 2 a.m. watching tutorial after tutorial. Everything looked promising, but nothing clicked. Then one night, everything shifted. He realized he didn't need to know everything. He didn't need a massive following. What he needed was focus. 3 simple strategies. That's it. And that focus earned him his first commissions. That little win, it changed everything. This video is built to give you that same win, because when you experience your first success, no matter how small, the whole game changes. Let's start with something everyone has: a phone. One of the fastest paths to affiliate commissions is promoting mobile-friendly offers. These are offers designed for phone users. Think app trials, quick downloads, simple opt-ins. Here's why this works. Everyone's glued to their phone. If your offer only takes a few taps to complete, the odds of conversion skyrocket. That's where Toolkit 6, the Cellphone Cash Starter Kit, comes in. It's packed with mobile-first affiliate programs that don't require websites or complicated funnels. You grab your link, post it in the right place, and boom, you're in business. Craig used this exact toolkit to help dozens of new subscribers get their first commissions in under a week. Simple, effective, mobile first. If you've got a phone, you've got what you need. Next up, what if you could get paid to use apps and share your opinion? That's the exact model behind WriteAppReviews. It's a program that pays you to test out new apps, write honest reviews, and earn affiliate credits. Here's the thing, you're already using apps. Why not get paid for it? You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need a phone, a few minutes, and a willingness to share your feedback. Some users start earning within 24-48 hours. Craig tested this with his subscribers and saw fast results, especially from those who had no previous affiliate experience. It's low risk, low effort, and beginner-friendly. Write, post, earn. It's that simple. The third strategy adds creativity into the mix. It's fun. There's a tool called InstantDoodle that lets you create short animated videos with whiteboard-style drawings. These videos stop the scroll. They're different, and they work. You can use them to promote affiliate offers, post on TikTok or Instagram, share in Facebook groups or ads. But here's where it gets even better. When you promote InstantDoodle itself using your own affiliate link, you also earn commissions every time someone signs up. So not only do you use it to market, the tool becomes its own income stream. For creatives and marketers alike, this one's a win-win. You'll stand out and earn in the process. Let's talk proof. Mark T. from Denver used Toolkit 6 and saw his first $47 commission in just 2 days. His words: "I couldn't believe how simple it was to set up something that actually worked." Or take Glenn Kosky, creator of the Millionaire Partner System. He said, "Craig's systems prove that you don't need to be a guru. Just have the right stack and stick with it." These strategies aren't theoretical. They're tested, and most importantly, they're working for everyday people, just like you. Momentum matters more than you think. Once you earn that first commission, everything shifts. You believe it's possible, and that belief fuels consistent action. That's why this video exists. Not just to teach, but to help you start. Because action breeds clarity, not the other way around. Whether you dive into Toolkit 6, Start reviewing apps or make your first doodle video? The time to start is now. Even the smallest win can become the spark for something much bigger. Everything you've seen today, the mobile offers, the app review income, the doodle video strategy, is inside the links below this video. These aren't placeholders. They're Craig-tested tools used by real creators to make real income. Pick one, test it, track your results, then drop a star emoji in the comments and tell us which one you're starting with. That'll help us support you with the right tips in the next videos. Oh, and definitely subscribe, because video 2 is where we reveal the strategy behind earning 80% commissions automatically. It's the next level of stacking affiliate income, and you won't want to miss it. You've just unlocked the fast lane. But this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll dive into the strategy that helped Craig and thousands of others earn high-ticket recurring commissions, even while they were still learning. For now, take the first step. Try one of the tools, and we'll meet you in the next video, ready to scale.